Hi guys. So the end of chapter assignment, apply 10. We're gonna model it after this case study here for reflex. All right. So we're gonna go to Posse Community. All right. So I have a link here. All right. So I'm gonna post this link on Canvas. Um, all right. So it's apply 10. All right. So if you click that link, you'll get to this post, right? So uh, this person is saying his code is getting this error. Replacement has length 0, right? So here's my code. Here's my sample data. So this looks like the code that is to create the sample data. So in our textbook, when you're creating refracs, he's saying that the biggest challenge is often to um, create the data. So where is it? Yeah. So there are different ways to create a sample data that would do the job, right? That would make the data simpler. I mean, the code simpler and still generate the same error message. So you can use this dput function to generate the code that will create the same data that you're using, right? So when you pass your data through this dput function, it'll give you this code, right? Starting with structure, right? So here, this looks like the code generated by dput function, right? This is code that'll create a sample data that he's using, all right? So you need to put this code in the reflex, right? So now, so he posted this. What I want you to do is I want you to improve this reflex, okay? So just like an example we did here in case 4, right? So the author found this code from Posse Community and showed us how to improve this reflex. And I'm doing the same thing. So what I want you to do is I want you to copy this, right? And so let's create new file, Shiny Web App, apply 10. Make sure that you save it in module 10. Open, create. There you go. There's app R. So select all and then control V. So this is his code, right? And again, you can see that data is being used as reprex1. But note that he misspelled it, repex. Um, and this is the code to generate the sample data. Here he spelled it correctly, reprex1. So let's put it up here. And first thing we need to do is, uh, where is it? Oh yeah, here. So, when you double click, it highlights it and it put the same object in other part of the code in rectangle. And there's one more here. You can see that, right? So edit tab, find. So repax on the line 1 um, should be this repax, right? So let's find the next repax 1, replace, and it highlights the next one, replace. There's no more. So it's good. So when we run this app, it should generate the same error that he complains about, which is replacement has length is 0. Yep. So we have this error. Replacement has length is 0. And then traceback created this error message, right? So we can see that output on the dollar sign Q15. That's a problem. That's a problem. Now, I think this code is too long. Can be shorter. I'm sorry. So can you make this code simpler, right? So reduce it, make it simpler, make a better reprex, and take a screenshot. I don't need to see this data part. I want to see this part, UI and server. Reduce it, take a screenshot, and then submit the image on Canvas. All right, take care.